Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the science lesson of the week. How are you all? Today, in this lesson, we will be reviewing about what is sound and the topics related to sound that we have learned before as well. So the learning outcomes are that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to state the different sounds and review how sounds can travel. So let's start our lesson. What is sound? Where does sound come from? Sounds come from sources. Things that make different sounds are called sources of sound. Sources of sounds can be humans, animals, or non-living things. Remember that non-living things do not make sounds on their own until and unless we make them move or hit each other to make a sound. Sounds are of two types. Sounds can be loud or soft. Loud sounds, which can damage our ears, can be blocked by wearing earmuffs. And sounds can be heard when they enter our ears and they get softer and softer as the source moves away from us or we move away from the source. Sounds are all around us. Sounds are everywhere. They help us learn a lot about our surroundings. Some people who don't have sense of sight use their sense of hearing to learn about different things around them. Our sense of hearing can be damaged by listening to loud music or loud sounds. What is sound? Close your eyes and don't make a sound. What can you hear? What direction is the sound coming from? Is it loud or is it quiet? Is it high pitched or a deep, low sound? Do you like the sound? Do answer these questions and let me know. Let's do this experiment. Put some grains of rice on a drum and gently strike the drum. What happens and why? The vibrations from the drum cause the rice to dance around. It is these vibrations that let us hear the sound of the drum. Do perform this experiment and do send me a video on WhatsApp. Vibrations. What is vibration? We just read the word vibrations, that vibrations from the drum make the rice move. But what is vibration? Sound is made when an object vibrates. Press your fingers to your throat and talk to a friend. Can you feel the vibrations in your throat? Strike a tuning fork or a percussion instrument and then touch it gently with your finger. Can you feel it vibrating? You of course will. Vibrations travel through the air until they reach our ears. These traveling vibrations are called sound waves because these are sound vibrations that travels to our ears and then we can hear the sound. So it is called sound waves. Remember we did this experiment before to see the sound waves? Take two plastic cups and tie them with a string, and you can make all kinds of sounds with your friend, with your partner, with your brother or sister and see if they can hear them. It is called a string telephone. So now a quick recap of what we have learned till now. Anything that makes sound is called source of sound, like people talking, or animals make sound, like ba, moo. Some non-living things like cars, mobile phones also make sounds. Some sounds are loud and some are soft. Aeroplanes and some animals like dogs and horses make loud sounds. And some sounds are soft, like sounds of birds, ticking of a clock. Some sounds warn us, like traffic sounds. Loud sounds can be blocked. Earmuffs are used to block loud sounds. Some loud sounds can be blocked by using soundproof materials, and some sounds can't be blocked, like sound of an aeroplane. Air moves sounds to our ears. Sounds are louder if you are near to its source, and sound gets softer as you move away from its source. Thank you, and I will all see you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.